Hi, my loves. Welcome to your general energy reading with me, Nozipho Nolutando. I have a message for you. God says, this is a message from God, and God says, I have done all the work for you. God said, it is done. Somebody here made a prayer request. I see you writing a lot. I see you painting. That was a prayer request. And God did the work for you. And I hear God say, all that you need to do right now is to just be. Just be present. Live in the moment, this moment. God says there's a gift that's coming to you because you know how to ground yourself, how to be in the moment. There's a gift coming to you. This is a gift from God. Somebody here is unlocking spiritual abilities. You have a blessing, an incoming blessing, my love, because this gift is going to, I'm hearing, open new doors for you. You're going to step into places that you did not think you'd step into. And that's because somebody wanted you to doubt yourself. Somebody wanted you to doubt yourself. But now this gift is going to define exactly that which you are. So whatever that you have planted, it is coming back to you. You know the seeds that you have been planting. You've done the work. You've done what you can. That's what I'm hearing. Let God do the rest. God has done it all. Your presence, it's 9 o'clock right now on the clock. Clocking it. A time of abundance, a time of duality, a time of living from who you truly are. And that's what God wants you to be, to just be yourself. Just be yourself. I'm hearing, for a moment, forget what was, forget what is to come, and just be here. Be here. Because you are getting a gift. This gift is going to come through nature, grass, trees, birds. Spend time in nature, basically. Spend time in nature. Spend time with your guides. Ooh. I'm actually getting a smell. Bati, it smells like green. Whatever is coming, this gift that is coming to you, it smells like green. Now, I don't know if the color does have a smell, but I literally can smell the color green, and it smells like abundance. It smells like joy. It smells like heaviness. It smells like inner child healing. It smells like fertility. Somebody could be getting pregnant here. Perhaps you've been struggling to conceive. God has opened that womb, my love. God has opened your womb. it is done. All you just need to be is to be present. I'm hearing Mary because you are giving birth to a king. So some of you, ooh, some of you literally giving birth to Okrestu Jesu, literally. Yeah. Allow it to happen. Allow it to unfold. For some of you, this is you literally just seeing two birds, like two birds. So, and two cats. So everything is coming in doubles. Intuition, is your intuition is heightening. I feel like you're more connected to your guides. I'm literally seeing a team of people like pushing you from behind, but how this makes me feel is like they are just applying the pressure. So God has done the work for you. Your ancestors are applying the pressure, and all that you need to be, when is be yourself. So use this gift that they are bringing to you. For some of you, it's gifts, psychic abilities, doing something that you have never seen anyone do. You have supernatural powers. What you say, it actually comes to pass. You are a prophet of God. There's a love that's incoming for somebody here. I love love. No, sorry, my loves. I'm not one of those women who go, hey, dinang funitando. I love love. So, and I feel like you've been healing. You decided to be celibate, to explore yourself. You were not letting anyone in, not talking to anyone even, like so pure. You were at your purest. That's what I'm hearing here. And ooh, I'm hearing Ruth and Boaz. So there's a Boaz coming in, or there's a Ruth coming. Yeah, however way it happens. So something is brewing, and this is something that your ancestors are giving to you. Your ancestors want you to know that they did not leave you. I'm hearing, we did not leave you, we did not forget about you. So 0905 on the clock right now. So there is incredible change coming in for you that's going to change the whole trajectory of your life. Ooh, I'm hearing like it's a grounded relationship, ne? So relationship, marriage here, that's what you're coming into, my love. Somebody who's literally going to adore you. I don't know who's receiving this message, but somebody's coming into your life to adore you for who you are. So I feel like you have been rejected to a certain extent by other people, and maybe you started doubting yourself, but this relationship that's incoming for you, is going to cause you to relax. I'm literally seeing Anna, like, you taking that. I don't even know how to explain it. I'm gonna ruin the message. But you taking shape. It's like you, ooh, also you looking so incredible doing it, like owning who you are. um Standing in you, that I am. Ooh, it's like you have come into connection with your whole triune being. So much that this is now gifting you back. So something is being poured into you right now. Stay grounded, my love. Stay in nature, because nature talks to you. You're going to literally get messages through smell, some of you. So your clairs are heightening as well. I love you so much, my angels.